Hello and welcome to Lily Club. Today we'll be making one of the most popular street food from New Delhi, Matar Chaat. And for that you'll need 2 cups of dried yellow peas, 2 medium or 1 large onion, 1 large tomato and 1 lime. Also, we will need half a bunch of cilantro, approximately 2 to 3 inch piece of a tamarind soaked in warm water. We need to soak it in warm water and then we will squeeze it and strain it to make tamarind juice. About 3/4 cup of chopped raw mango. Now this is not your regular sweet mango, this is raw mango. This is very tangy and it's just gonna add the extra kick to your chaat. If you don't have it, that's fine, but if you can get it, do add it. You will see the difference, how much difference it makes. It will just blow your mind. And then finally, green chilies as per your liking. I'm adding this much because I just love spicy. Now chop the onions, the tomato, your cilantro, the green chilies, and my favorite raw mangoes. So let's begin. Let me just first show you how these peas should look. I pressure cooked these for about 20 to 30 minutes. I mean, just make sure the texture. You have to retain some of the liquid, don't strain all of it, and make sure the texture is just like this. It's still holding its shape and it's not too mushy. Add onions, the tomatoes, your cilantro, the green chili, the raw mangoes, half a lemon, just squeeze half a lemon, don't add too much. Half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala, salt as much as you like, and give it a quick mix. And finally the tamarind juice that you strained from that soaked tamarind. Don't put all of it, add it gradually. You might just make it too sour. So just fix it as per your liking. And here it is. Your chaat is ready. Enjoy.
Namaste. If you like our video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more videos. If you have tried this recipe at your home, do let us know in the comment section below. यदि हजुरहरुलाई यो भिडियो मन परेमा यसलाई लाइक गरिदिनुस्, कमेन्ट गरिदिनुस्, शेयर गरिदिनुस् र हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनुस्। हजुरहरुलाई म फेरि अर्को हप्ता भेट्छु नै। थ्यांक यू।